this is Jamie from Shanti with a quick tip for you on working with our water lily essence. So our water lily is available as both a dropper and as a spray, and we recommend working with this essence anytime that you're feeling the need for more clarity or direction. Okay, so if you think about the water lily, it rises from the muddy depths, and it's aligned with the light. It's trying to find its way up. It's going against gravity, and it shoots through the murky, muddy water and then opens to flourish in the light and the sun. Yeah, I always think of it like, if the water lily were to look around on its way up and look at its environment, it might become very discouraged. Like, oh my gosh, how am I ever going to, get to a better space? There's so much murkiness all around me. And yet, once it breaks through and reaches the light and opens, there's nothing but clarity, right? And so the environment, the terrain totally shifts and changes. So anytime, similarly in life, you're in a space where you feel like you're moving through murky terrain or you can't see clearly, this would be a really great essence to work with. That would be our water lily flower essence from Shanti. Thank you very much.